In this quick tutorial, you are going to learn Canva price list and plans. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper, and let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you Canva price list and plans. So first, I'm searching on Google Canva price list and plans, and it will come up to me this page. And click here, click the plans and price this page, and it will bring you to this page. So this is the Canva plans and pricing. So there are two types of accounts. First, individual and business, and the second one is education. So basically, Canva education account is for free for a special case. Otherwise, Canva's common accounts are 1, 2, 3, 4. These accounts are Canva's common account. So maximum people are using Canva free account. If you want to use it or starting using Canva, then you can start from free. So this is completely free and forever lifetime you can use this free account. And it is pretty handy if you don't want to spend money on Canva. You can still good to go with this Canva free account. This is $0. And the pro account, Canva has 1, 2, 3 business plan or pro plan. The first plan is per month 7.5 USD, and its name is pro plan for individual user. And the second plan is business plan and team plan. For this plan, you need to spend 10 USD for per person. And the third plan is enterprise. You can contact them to activate your enterprise account. So this is a very special account of Canva. So very common account is Canva Pro account. All of the accounts are same features. So basically Canva has two types of accounts. One is Pro account and another is free account. Free accounts means this is the free account, and all of other accounts are Pro account actually. All of the features, all of the specifications are same in Pro account, business account, enterprise account, even education account. So these are the features of these accounts. So you can compare here. So this is a very comprehensive chart. You can have a look how it works. So basically this is an individual plan, and this is the team plan, and this is for enterprise plan. And if you want to go for pro, you can just start from this plan. So this is a completely pro plan for individual user. And there are Canva education plan. So Canva offer education plan for teachers or schools or student and campus ambassador. This is actually pro plan, but they are giving it for free for the special case. If you want to activate Canva teachers account, you can see all of this, and you need to verify yourself as a teacher with special specifications and as a student with a special specification. So if I click here, I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 types of educational accounts. So all of them are completely free to use their pro account, but a special case. And this is the Canva Pro plan or business plan. And this is their common plan: pro plan, business plan, enterprise plan, non-profit plan. Canva has offered non-profit organization to use their pro plan for free, as well as like the education plan, but you need to have passed the special criteria first. So you can check here what are the special criteria for the non-profit organization. So you can see these are the eligibility criteria. You just need to go through these things, and these are the not eligible. If what is the case, you can see or read it. And if you want to activate the pro account or education account for free, then you can go here, and here you need to verify you as a teacher. There are special criteria. So basically, create personalized lesson plan, infographics, poster, video, and more, 100% free for teachers and students at eligible schools. So you need to have eligibility to activate these accounts. These are all of the Canva's plan. If you are completely new in Canva, I always suggest you to start from their free plan. It is very much good to go in your learning phase. But when you are a very much skilled on Canva, then you can start their pro plan. This is also handy and completely worth it. I have a separate video. What are the difference between Canva Pro plan and free plan? You can go and check it out. I will put the link in the comment and description. All right, That's a wrap. Don't skip the pinned comment and description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.